Queen. I have an order from Kate Spade. They sent me, oh, those emails, y'all. Those emails. They're wrong for that. They sent me a coupon, and I want to say Kate Spade themselves sent me like a 10% off or something. And then Capital One sent me an enticement saying that I would get, I don't know, was it 15, 20, 25% back? Something like that. So anyway, it made me go look. I wasn't committed to buying something. I was like, it made me go look. And of course, when you look, you find. But let me take this out of the box and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have this other purse. It's a dumpling purse. I love that purse. I can't wait till I can get to it in my rotation. Oh, I love that purse. So, I don't have a lot of that color. And so I really like that color. And so it's called Warm Gingerbread. And so I have another purse that I thought was really, really nice. So I saw this on Curvy Southerner. She was saying that she got this, but I think she got this in a different color. I mean, she might have got it in this color. But anyway, it made me, when I saw it, I was like, oh, I'm going to get that. I'm going to get that. So anyway, that is the description on that. No, I didn't say I was going to get it just because I saw her video. But when I saw that they still had this, and it was on sale, and I had all those incentives, I'm like, okay, I'm getting that. So anyway, let's take a look. Because I swear, y'all, I was through buying. I'm like, okay, I'm through buying. I'm through buying. I'm done. And then this. So anyway, here we go. It's a large shoulder bag with pick stitch. And it's got Warm Gingerbread as a color. Alright. So, love the wrapping. Love how they protected it. And, oh, this is so nice. I love their pebble leather. It's really nice. This is other leather that they have that I'm not that crazy about. I think it's more durable and wipeable and stuff. But I don't like it. It's Saffiano or something like that. It's not my favorite. But this, I like their version of this. So anyway, look at this. It's so pretty. I like a hobo bag, and I like a big bag. So this is so cute. And it's giving me Brooklyn vibes. I did not buy it for the Brooklyn vibe. I just thought it was really pretty. And I didn't notice that little... Oh, I think she did mention that. But anyway, let's see. I wouldn't imagine this would come with a strap. But let's see. Let's see what's in here. I have to move all of that out the way. So I'm wondering, if I don't see a strap, and I don't see why you would have a strap with this. Alright, so it's all or nothing, you know. If this is not comfortable on your arm, you got nothing. But I think this is so cute. I do like that that gold buckle there. I think that really helps the bag. Gold, I think, was the only accent that would have made sense with this bag. And it's really, really cute. So I guess this is for our bag charms. I like that. I like that a lot. Alright, and so let's take a look on the inside. So we got magnet. Let's see, do they find each other well? No, you have to force them together. Alright, not force them, but you know, they're not going to find each other well. So, but that's okay. A lot of times, you know, this is going to be tucked under your arm anyway. But look how big that is. And I want to say this thing was like $150 or maybe $175 before the discounts. And so this was already worth it for that. And so you got the branded nice silk lining that, let's see, it kind of comes out, but then I think you can flip this bag inside out anyway, like if you get makeup or something down there. And I don't know if that's the model number or not. And then you got the branding there. And then we got the zipper pull on the back with the leather zipper pull. And then we got our little tag here. And back in here, got a nice zipper pocket that goes almost all the way down. So that's nice. So this bag has some structure, but it will get floppy. And I'm not one of those that loves the floppy, but with this particular bag, I won't mind the floppy, okay? Other bags, I don't like floppiness, but this is a nice in-between, right? So, let's close that off right there. And then, did we look at the bottom? I think we did. Really cute. I'm really happy I picked this up. Y'all can tell me what you think. I was trying to see if I had some kind of charm in here. But it's not readily available. So, I thought that I would show you guys what I picked up. Well, oh, you know what? I do still have next to me. I don't know that I would dress these with that. I mean, you could, but let's just put something over there. See what it looks like. I think this is kind of a dressy kind of purse, but you really could. You know, you could do either one with that. Go dressy or go casual. I think this is a good everyday bag, and I think the two of them would look really cute hanging off of there. But anyway, y'all can tell me what you think, and I will talk to you guys later. I will try to link this and the Capital One thing. They actually sent where, you know, you can get $40, I get $40, I guess. But anyway, I will put the links down there. Even if you don't do the link, if you go to Capital One Shopping, always use Capital One Shopping when you go to Kate Spade, because you're missing out. All right, talk to y'all later. Bye.